Hello! Welcome back, everyone, to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. So glad you're with us again.
You know, Sam, I had the strangest dream last night. I mean, really strange.
Oh, tell me. I love hearing about dreams.
I dreamed I was flying. Not in a plane, just flying. Like I was sitting on my couch, and suddenly I just floated up. I went out the window and over the city. It was beautiful. And then I landed in a market and I was buying oranges. Very random.
That's amazing. Dreams are so weird, but also they tell us something, don't they? Flying can mean freedom. Buying oranges? Maybe you need vitamin C?
Maybe, but it got me thinking. Dreams are such a common topic of conversation. People ask, what did you dream about? Or what are your dreams for the future? And we use the same word for both, the dreams we have when we sleep and the dreams we have for our lives.
That's such a beautiful connection. Our sleeping dreams and our waking dreams. Both are about imagining something beyond what is right now.
Today, our topic is learn to talk about your dreams in English. We're going to talk about both kinds of dreams, the ones that come to you at night and the ones you carry in your heart.
We'll learn vocabulary for describing dreams, phrases for talking about your hopes and goals, and how to have real conversations about what you want in life.
By the end of this episode, you'll have the words to share your dreams with others. The funny ones, the scary ones, the big ones, the quiet ones.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. This is a conversation between friends, like two people sitting and talking about their dreams.
So get comfortable. Let's start with the dreams we have when we sleep.
We all dream. Even if you don't remember them, you dream every night. It's just part of being human.
Let's learn some vocabulary for talking about sleeping dreams.
Dream, the images and stories your mind makes while you sleep. I had a strange dream last night.
Nightmare, a scary or bad dream. I had a nightmare about being chased.
Daydream, when you imagine things while you're awake. I was daydreaming in class.
Lucid dream, a dream where you know you're dreaming. Sometimes I have lucid dreams where I can control what happens.
Recurring dream, a dream that happens again and again. I have a recurring dream about being late for an exam.
Vivid dream, a dream that feels very real. That dream was so vivid, I thought it actually happened.
Now, let's learn some verbs for talking about dreams.
To dream, the verb itself. I dreamed about flying.
To dream of, to imagine something. I dream of traveling the world.
To dream about can be sleeping or waking. Last night, I dreamed about my grandmother.
To remember a dream, to recall what you dreamed. I rarely remember my dreams.
To forget a dream, to not remember. I forget my dreams as soon as I wake up.
To wake up from a dream, to stop dreaming. I woke up from a beautiful dream.
To interpret a dream, to try to understand what it means. Some people believe you can interpret dreams.
Now, let's talk about common dream themes. People all over the world have similar dreams.
Flying, feeling free, escaping something. I often dream about flying over the ocean.
Falling, feeling out of control. I hate falling dreams. They wake me up.
Being chased, feeling like you're running from something. In the dream, someone was chasing me.
Teeth falling out, a common dream about losing something or feeling insecure. I dreamt my teeth fell out. It was so scary.
Yes, we've all had that one.
Now, let's talk about how to describe a dream. When someone asks, "What did you dream about?" What do you say?
Start with the beginning. I dreamed that I was, or I had a dream where I was.
I dreamt that I was flying over the city.
Then describe what happened. Use the past tense. I was flying and then I landed in a market. I bought oranges.
Use sensory words. How did it feel? What did you see? What did you hear?
The wind was in my hair. The city lights were beautiful below me.
Describe the emotion. I felt so free. It was amazing.
Then the ending. And then I woke up. Or and then I fell.
Let's practice describing a dream. I'll tell you about one of mine.
Okay.
I had a really strange dream last night. I dreamt that I was back in my childhood home. Everything looked the same, but my family wasn't there. I walked through the house and everything was quiet. Then I opened the door to my old room and there was a garden inside, flowers everywhere. It was beautiful. I sat there for a while just looking at the flowers and then I woke up. It felt so peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Do you think it meant something?
I'm not sure. Maybe I'm thinking about my childhood, or maybe I just miss my family.
Dreams are funny like that. They don't always have a clear meaning, but they're always interesting to share.
Now, let's talk about the other kind of dream, the dreams we have for our lives.
Dream can also mean a hope, a goal, something you want to achieve. My dream is to become a teacher.
Life dream, a big, important dream. Her life dream is to travel to every continent.
Childhood dream, something you wanted when you were young. My childhood dream was to become an astronaut.
Achieve a dream, to make it true. She worked hard and achieved her dream of opening a bakery.
Pursue a dream, to work toward it. He's pursuing his dream of becoming a musician.
Give up on a dream, to stop trying. I almost gave up on my dream, but then I tried again.
Follow your dreams, a common phrase meaning to do what you really want. My parents always told me to follow my dreams.
Now, let's learn some phrases for talking about your dreams and goals.
My dream is to start my own business.
I've always dreamed of living by the ocean.
One day I hope to write a book.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
I'm working toward becoming a doctor.
It's been my dream since I was a child. It's been my dream to visit Japan.
I would love to learn to play the guitar.
If I could do anything, I would travel the world.
Now let's talk about why dreams matter. Why do we share them?
Dreams tell people who we are. When you share your dream, you share a piece of your heart.
When someone tells you a dream, they trust you. They're showing you something important about themselves.
And when you listen to someone's dream, you learn what they value, what they hope for, what they care about.
Dreams connect us. They're the things that make us human.
Now, let's talk about how to respond when someone shares a dream. This is important.
If someone shares a dream with you, listen. Really listen.
You can say, "That's amazing," or "That's such a beautiful dream."
I hope you achieve it, or I believe in you.
You can say, "How can I help?" or "What's your plan?"
If the dream is big or seems impossible, don't discourage them. Say, it's big, but I believe you can do it.
If you share a dream and someone is negative, that can hurt, so be kind when others share with you.
Now, let's practice a conversation about life dreams.
Alex, what's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to write a book. I've always loved stories, and I want to share one of my own.
That's wonderful. What kind of book?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a novel, maybe something about language learning. I just want to create something meaningful.
Have you started writing?
I've started, but it's slow. Some days I write a lot, some days I write nothing.
That's normal. The important thing is that you keep going.
Thank you. What about you? What's your dream?
I've always dreamed of traveling, not just visiting places, but really experiencing them, living in a different country for a while.
That sounds amazing. Where would you go first?
Maybe somewhere in South America. I'd love to learn Spanish and immerse myself in the culture.
I hope you do it. Life is short. We should go after our dreams.
That's true. It's easy to put things off. Someday becomes never if we're not careful.
Exactly. So let's not wait for someday.
See how natural that conversation is? Two friends sharing their hopes and encouraging each other.
Now, let's talk about the difference between dreams and goals. This is interesting.
A dream is the big vision. It's the what. A goal is the plan. It's the how.
My dream is to write a book. My goal is to write 500 words every day.
My dream is to travel the world. My goal is to save a certain amount of money each month.
Dreams without goals stay dreams. Goals without dreams are empty.
So if you have a dream, break it down into small goals. What can you do today? What can you do this week?
Then share your goals with someone. It helps to say them out loud.
Now let's talk about dreams that change. Our dreams can change as we grow.
When I was a child, I wanted to be a firefighter. Then I wanted to be a pilot. Then I wanted to be a writer.
It's normal for dreams to change. As you grow, you learn more about yourself. What you wanted at 10 might not be what you want at 30.
And that's okay. It doesn't mean you failed. It means you grew.
Sometimes we let go of a dream, and that can be sad, but often we let go of one dream to make room for another.
Now let's talk about fear and dreams. Fear is what stops many of us.
Fear of failure. What if I try and I'm not good enough?
Fear of what others will think. What if they laugh at me?
Fear of the unknown. What if it doesn't work out?
These fears are normal, but they shouldn't stop you.
Every person who achieved something big faced fear. They did it anyway.
So when you share your dream, you're also facing the fear. You're saying, this matters to me.
Now let's talk about supporting someone's dream. How can we be good friends?
Listen without judgment. Don't tell them it's impossible.
Ask questions. What's your plan? What can I do to help?
Celebrate small steps. You wrote 500 words today? That's amazing.
Be honest but kind. If there's a real obstacle, you can talk about it, but always with encouragement.
And when you achieve something, celebrate together. Dreams are sweeter when shared.
Now let's talk about dreams in English learning. This is why you're here.
Your dream might be to speak English fluently, to travel without fear, to talk to people from other countries, to get a better job.
That's a beautiful dream, and you're already working toward it.
Every episode you listen to, every word you learn, every sentence you practice, that's you pursuing your dream.
It takes time, it takes patience, but every small step brings you closer.
So when you feel like giving up, remember your dream. Remember why you started.
Now let's learn some useful phrases for talking about your dreams and goals.
My dream is to speak English without fear.
I've always wanted to. I've always wanted to live abroad.
One day I'm going to write a book.
It's been my goal to improve my English.
I'm working toward becoming more confident.
I hope to travel next year.
I'm taking small steps towards my dream.
It's never too late to start. It's never too late to learn something new.
The journey is as important as the destination. Enjoy the process.
Now let's practice a conversation about dreams and fears. Alex, can I ask you something? What's something you're afraid to dream about?
That's a deep question. I think I'm afraid to dream about being a full-time writer. It feels so uncertain. What if I can't make enough money? What if no one reads my book?
I understand that fear, but what if you do succeed? What if people love your book?
That would be amazing, but it's hard to let myself believe it could happen. Maybe start small. Write for yourself first. See how it feels.
That's good advice. What about you? What's something you're afraid to dream?
I think I'm afraid to dream about leaving everything behind, moving to a new country, starting over. It's exciting, but it's also scary. It is, but think of all the people who have done it. They started exactly where you are.
That's true. Maybe we both need to give ourselves permission to dream big.
Permission, that's the word. We need permission from ourselves.
Then consider this your permission. Go write your book. I'll go plan my travels.
Deal.
See how that conversation goes deep? It's not just about dreams, it's about fear, about permission, about support.
Now, let's talk about how to keep your dreams alive. When life gets busy, dreams can get forgotten.
Write your dream down. Put it somewhere you can see it every day.
Tell someone. When you share your dream, it becomes more real.
Take one small step. Every day, do one thing that moves you towards your dream.
Find people who believe in you. Their energy will lift you.
And when you have a hard day, remember why you started. The dream is still there waiting for you.
Now, let's talk about dreams that are quiet. Not everyone has big, loud dreams.
Some dreams are small, to have a peaceful life, to be a good parent, to enjoy each day.
Those dreams are just as important. They're the dreams that give life meaning.
So don't compare your dreams to others. Your dreams are yours. They're perfect for you.
Now, let's learn some phrases for when someone asks about your dreams.
I've never really thought about it, if you haven't.
I'm still figuring it out, if you're not sure.
I have a few ideas if you're exploring.
My dream is simple, if it's a quiet dream.
I'm working on something, but I'm not ready to share it yet. If you want to keep it private.
I'd rather not say right now. It's okay to keep your dreams to yourself.
You don't have to share everything. Some dreams are private. That's okay.
Now, let's talk about dreams that come true. What does it feel like?
I imagine it's a mix of joy and disbelief. Is this really happening?
And then gratitude. Gratitude to yourself for not giving up. Gratitude to the people who supported you.
And maybe a new dream, because when one dream comes true, a new one often appears.
That's the beautiful thing about dreams. They multiply.
Now, let's practice one more conversation. This one about childhood dreams.
Alex, what did you want to be when you were a child?
I wanted to be a veterinarian. I loved animals so much. I wanted to take care of them.
That's sweet. What happened?
I realized I couldn't handle seeing sick animals. It was too hard emotionally. So I found another path.
Do you still love animals?
Oh, yes. I just don't work with them professionally. What about you?
I wanted to be an astronaut. I was obsessed with space. I had posters of planets on my wall.
That's amazing. What made you change?
I realized I was more interested in stories than in science. I wanted to understand people, not just the stars.
Then you're a storyteller through this podcast.
I guess I am. I never thought of it that way.
See, your childhood dream changed, but the heart of it stayed. You wanted to explore, and now you explore ideas and language.
That's a beautiful way to see it.
That's the thing about dreams. They evolve, they grow with you.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Write down or record your dream. One dream. It can be big or small.
It can be a sleeping dream you remember or a life dream you carry in your heart.
Write it in English. Use the phrases we learned.
Then, if you want, share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear your dreams.
We read every comment. Your dreams inspire us and other listeners.
And remember, your dreams matter. They're not silly, they're not impossible, they're yours.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep dreaming, keep sharing, keep believing.
And hey, before you go, if this episode touched your heart, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these meaningful conversations.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Tell us one dream you have. It can be big or small. We'd love to hear it.
We read every comment. Your dreams inspire us and other listeners.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more people find the courage to share their dreams.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go dream big.
Bye.